pam 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 pam. Welcome back again today, family. When you are conscious, it's a sign that you are preserving something. It's a sign that you are preserving some energy. It's a sign that you are doing what the majority aren't doing. So according to my own experience, I found out that when you are doing Nofap, you will become conscious. You will gain consciousness. This has let me be aware of what I have been really doing without even knowing that I was even doing the Nofap. I was practicing the Nofap lifestyle, like me not wasting my energy, me not wasting my life force on just any little things that I see, any rejection that I receive out there. Because growing up as young boys and young girls, ladies, when we are growing up, when we like a person and the person don't like us, we always get angry. And to give away, to release ourselves off the anger, sometimes we have to masturbate. But that is part of it. That is just like a flashback of when you are not wasting your life force. You gain consciousness, you gain awareness. When you are not wasting your life force, when you are into the Nofap lifestyle, when you are not wasting your energy, you will become more aware, you will become more awake. You will know things even before people tell you what it is. You will become more intelligent. In my older videos, I talk about that word that I just said now. You become more aware, you become more intelligent, you remember things fast. So that is what Nofap will do for you. So Nofap is not only about you getting the attractions from the opposite sex, and which is what the majority people are trying to get. When they first hear the topic about Nofap, they hear Nofap, but when they just get and hear about you attracting the opposite sex, everybody will just jump on it. But that is not all about Nofap. Nofap will make you go into spirituality. Nofap will take you into the spiritual world, because now you are not like all those unknown. Now you are now just like all those what is it called? Those father that they don't make love openly, and they have made the public to understand. Because when you are secreting your energy, just like those known, because they feel that when they don't make love with the opposite sex, they are being holy, they are being whole. They are being holy. Yes, because religion is about being holy. But when you are doing Nofap, you are whole. You are the whole. You are the whole entire package of a human being. You are a complete human being like that. But when we make love, it's not because we are practicing Nofap, we won't make love. No, we make love. And that is very important for our well-being, our internal body, for us to revitalize our inner system. So we will make love, but in the whole, we are whole. In the whole, we are whole. So that is it. So when you are doing Nofap, you get more benefits apart from these physical things that you will meet. You will start communicating with more confidence. You start loving more life. You start becoming more creative. You start showing everything how it is in your own way. It's not that you start copying people. You do things in your own way. You want to show your own side of the story. You want to tell your own side of the story. You want to create you want to create your own path. Let people see your path that you left behind, even when you are gone. That's what Nofap will make you go into. It will make you be whole again, as I've said before. So just like this short video that I did in my backyard, As you can see, I'm living in this new environment, in this new house now. This is a new apartment from me. Now I stay in the UK. So just like this example of this video, see what Nofap will do for you apart from these internet things. Look, this is what Nofap will do to you. Watch this video. Guys, this is what Nofap will help you to do. This is what Nofap will make you become. It will make you become a machine. Can you see me? All these logs of wood. I'm the one that cut everything with my bare hand. Look at them. I pieces them. I pieces all these trees, all these log of wood. This wood. I pieces them. Look at them. I cut them with the axe. With this axe. This one. Then this smaller one again. That is what Nofap will make you to become. It will make you become like a... So as you have seen it, Nofap will make you. It will make you very, very active. It will make you do things. That is the physical aspect of Nofap. To make you do things that this present world, the present generation have thought that it is impossible. To make you do things that the majority think that is so stressful. Why should I be doing this stuff? Whereby there is machines, there's everything, there's engine, there's everything to do everything easily without me wasting my energy. But Nofap will tell you that no, you can still do it. Don't worry. Don't waste fuel. Don't waste this thing. Don't waste light. Don't worry. Your body is made. Your body was made to do this thing. Your body was made to move. Your body was made to electricalize. That's all what our system is about. That's why sometimes you get shocked when you hold something. You get shocked when you hold some particular thing. So that is it. Our body is an electricalized system. The same thing with our brain. The photons, all those light beams, are the circuit and the whole light in us. So Nofap will give us many benefits in life. It will give us more life to make us be more alive than others that haven't gotten aware of this lifestyle. Nofap, from you being free from jacking off to pornographic images and watching videos, all those porn videos that make you, at the end of the day, to get low self-esteem. It will improve your life when you stop all those acts, all those self-hatred stuff, because you can't be the third person. It's either you'll be the one doing it, then others watching you, than you watching other people doing it. You be the doer. You be the creator. Don't be the spectator. That is it, family. Nofap will make you conscious again. Nofap will make you notice. Nofap will make you interpret things, because everything is, you are being whole within. When you are whole within, you are just like Jesus. You are just like Buddha. You are just like Songo. So that is it. There's more about this. We'll talk about this more later. If you love what you heard, I'm just in this my new apartment as you have seen it. It's a bit weird. Everything is like crushing. My mouth is a bit heavy. Maybe it's because of this new environment. So if you love what you heard, stick around. There's more to go. There's more to speak about this. Peace. Respect, actually, sorry. I'm free from jacking off to pornographic images and videos. Hope you too, you are.